Magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin kabola yung top 3 teams na dapat i-target po. Yung SMB Center na nasa trade block o gusto na pong matrade kabola. And then we will also look at the league leaders po ngayon sa 2024 Philippine Cup. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Ito na nga po, yung league leaders currently kabola. So nakakabilib talaga si Robert Bolick. Of course, ito, pundasyon nito, yung 47 points explosion niya. 30.2 points kabola, diba? Grabe. Pero ang nakakabilib talaga din kay Bolick, kahit second siya sa assist. Kabola, ano? So, grabe yan, diba? Top 1 kasi scoring, pero top 2 ka din sa assist, diba? Pinag-combine talaga. Parang kompleto sa Ricardo's na klase ng point guard si Robert Bolick, kabola. Usually, a top 10 PBA player, kabola. And of course, nagbalik po siya sa PBA. So, enjoy natin, kabola. Ang panunod dito kay Robert Bolick, as you can see pa dito kabola, Tolentino is still there, number 2 in terms of scoring. Hope has risen, Chongson is there, di ba? Nakakagulat eh, dalawang Terrafirmagy player nasa top ng scoring, di ba? Sa rebounds, Bahar is still leading. Assist, si Halalon na po kabola, even steals, di ba? So ito naman, pinapakita ni Halalon that in the two areas, offense and defense kabola, ay maaasahan mo din siya. Yan po yung pinapakita dito. Now look at the Blacks, no? Who is leading it? Will Navarro, a forward of Northport. And nandun din yung kakampi niya si Lucero, no? Nasa 1.8, trade po siya kabola. So ito yung pinapakita ngayon ng Northport, no? They are a very, very wild team kabola, no? They want to do a lot of events during the game, especially in the defensive end. And then of course, in terms of minutes, diba? Makikita niyo dyan, Holt Chongson. Currently talagang sila po yung ginagatasan ng Coach John Cardell kabola sa Terra Firma. And in a way, it's working. They're currently at the middle or above middle kabola of the standings with 3-2 kabola. Now, Jot Reyes satisfied with how TNT gave SMB a big scare kabola. So, mga ganito na lang yung mga banatan ngayon ni Coach Jot. Parang alam niya kasi, kabola na yung current niya na rooster kabola, eh hindi pang diinan. May malaking kulang talaga, di ba? Madami silang kulang dahil sa injury kabola. And then of course, hindi pa nagbabalik si Mikey Williams. So mga ganito na lang yung banatan po ng isang Coach Jot Reyes kabola. And then, let's go to the comments. Sabi po ni Agavita Wala, dapat si Ayo ang i-trade, sabi niya kabola. Then yes, there are already rumors kabola that Coach Ayo can be replaced. Coach Giao, sabi naman nito si Lloyd Gutierrez. Pa-shoutout, sabi ni Sir Ronald Berbusidad. And then Marco Avaleros, si CTC nga, nag-adjust din na si Stan o Plenty Pringle noon, and even before that, nag-hybrid triangle dun siya nung time ni na JJ na mahilig silang tumakbo. Of course, Coach Tim Cone, di ba, is really the greatest coach po in the PBA. He can adjust, he knows how to adjust kabola. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, babalik at babalik yan sa triangle kasi ito talaga yung first love niya kabola. And it works, di ba? Especially now that we have a team kabola, di ba, very big team, yung kanila pong triangle offense is really working kabola. If napapansin nyo, yung marami pong aspect ng offense nila is triangle offense po talaga kabola. Now ito na, top 3 teams that we think should consider trading po for Moala Tautua. Number 1 po natin will be Northport Batang PR, diba? They are badly in need of a giant center kabola, diba? Pinakawalan nga nila si Prince Capera. So we can just imagine, diba, itong si Tautua, he can also stretch the floor, diba? Then you have this plethora of versatile and long forwards, Joshua Munzon, Lucero, Arvin Tolentino, kabola, Navarro, di ba? It will be a crazy team, kabola. Pero ang tanong dyan, gusto bang bumalik po ni Moala Tautua? Number 2 natin will be Phoenix, kabola. Same case with Northport, no? Nakita ka natin kasi sa Phoenix, kabola, nag-i-struggle sila ngayon. And of course, ang nawala dyan is yung import nila, who has been their anchor, kabola, in the middle. So getting an anchor for the Philippine Cup like Tautua could be what they need to compete po in the Philippine Cup. And then of course, Magnolia Chats, James Laput is slowly improving and legitimizing himself as starting caliber center kabola. Pero iba pa rin yung madadala po kasi ni Tautua kasi he can stretch the floor kabola. And again, the more giants you have, the better. So kung ikaw bakabola, sabihin mo sino po dapat makipag-trade para makuha po si Tautua. Comment lang po sa baba.